We are going to look at a salary scale. In other words, a salary that the person started on, and then after 1 year of being employed, hopefully the person will qualify for an increase. And then hopefully the years that follow, he will also get an increase. Remember that in the first year of employment, employees do not earn or do not qualify for an increase because you are appointed for 1 full year. You basically showing them that you are willing to work hard and you do deserve this increase. But in your first year of employment, your salary mostly for most people remains unchanged unless stated otherwise in the contract. So this question says that the person that we are working with here earns an annual salary of 252,000 Rand per annum. That's what annual salary means. So for the full 12 months, in the first year, he's earning that. No annual increase because it is the first year of employment. So to calculate your monthly salary, you're going to take your annual salary and you divide that by 12. Let me just get my calculator here. So 252 divided by 12. So he earns 21,000 Rand per month in the first year. To make it easier, I'm just going to add that to my table so that it reads a bit easier. Right. So now they want to know in the next year, his monthly salary is 22,680. Number B, so always follow the numbering as per the question paper because it means that we are allocating marks based on you following the numbering. So if you skip something, then you might miss out on a few marks at a later stage. So B wants to know what is the annual salary if he's now earning a monthly salary of 22,680. So I'm just going to times that by 12 to see my annual salary. So times 12. There we have it, 272,160. So that is his annual salary. And once again, I'm going to take that amount and I'm going to enter it here as well. There we go. Now they want to know what is his annual increase. In other words, how did he get from his salary in 2024, the annual, because they're asking for the annual increase, how did he get from that annual salary to the annual salary in 2025? So you take your 2025 salary minus the 2024 salary to find the difference. So 272 minus 252. And that is 20,160. Nice and easy. We can also ask you to calculate the percentage. So I think I might show you that after this. Right, now we're going to do the same here for 2026. Once again, they've given me the monthly salary. I just need to quickly change this to read E and D. There we are. They want to know the monthly, the annual salary using the monthly. So again, we're going to multiply by 12. There we go. To get our annual salary. So it's 24,948 times 12. That gives me the annual salary. Then to get to the annual increase, I take the 2026 salary minus the 2025 salary. Why am I writing a double zero? Double minus. Minus 272,160. And that is then 27,216. So if I want to, I can ask you to calculate the percentage increase in the annual salary for 2025. In other words, calculate the percentage by which the salary increased from 2024 to 2025. That means that you have to take the annual increase amount So the annual increase amount divided by the original amount, because remember, you started with the 252,000 and then you added a percentage onto that annual salary to get to your 2025 salary. So the difference between the 2 years, so the increase divided by the original salary times by 100 to get the percentage, so times 100, and that is 8%. Okay, so that's also calculating increase in annual earnings